Now that you have the rifle fully disassembled, you can install my no drill top rail, which will come with the top rail, charging handle, whichever you choose, the little locator nut block, and a couple of cap screws. We will place the top rail on. It's got the two locators, just like the OEM carry handle, and we'll put that on the top and locate it. We'll then take and put the locking nut in the groove. Now, it's special to note that the locking nut has an offset hole. We want the longer portion of the nut to go towards the front of the rifle. So we're going to install it like this. Slide it underneath it, look down, line up the hole, put the flathead cap screw in, and center it up and just snug it down. Next thing that we'll do is we'll take our charging handle return spring assembly, and this is how it came out of the OEM. We'll remove the long cap screw, take off the lock washer, take the new cap screw that I sent you, put the lock washer back on, put it back in the assembly, and then we'll take and put it into charging handle. Now that it all fits up, I will take it back out, and I use clear fingernail polish, or you can use blue Loctite on this, just in case you ever want to take it back apart. It's easier to take apart. Coming from the factory, there is no Loctite on these items, so I don't put Loctite back on, but I just want to use something to keep it so that it won't rattle out. So I use clear fingernail polish. A little bit on there. Tighten that back down. And then we'll remove the front after I dry fit up. Put some clear fingernail polish on that one. Snug everything back down and you're good. Now, to put the charging handle on, you'll take the dust cover assembly and put it on the new charging handle. And to put the charging handle back on, you want to line up the charging handle return spring bracket so that it's in the groove. Pull it back and hold it with your finger so that you can put the charging handle on. And you're all ready to go. Now you can reassemble the rifle with all of the other components. Again, make sure that when you put the barrel back in, that when it goes in, you pull back the charging handle to put it in the locator, and then you can finish reassembling.